Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a TikTok widget to your home screen. TikTok widgets allow you to easily access and enjoy TikTok content right from your home screen. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Then, locate and tap on Widgets near the Create button. Step 3. Inside the Widgets section, tap on Add. Now, go back to your home screen, and the TikTok widget will be added for you to enjoy TikTok content without even opening the app. If the widget isn't added automatically, you can manually add it by accessing the Widgets section from your device's settings or home screen options. By following these simple steps, you can have a TikTok widget right on your home screen, allowing you to stay connected to TikTok and enjoy your favorite content with ease. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to add a TikTok widget. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more convenient TikTok experience with the TikTok widget on your home screen